Hello friends, today we will be looking at the problem Chef and Magic array from October 17. The problem statement is given certain number of dishes 1, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 4, 5 for example. We have to maximize the tastiness of the dish. Tastiness of the dish here is, index I am writing here, 3 minus 3 into 1 plus 4 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 here. So, tastiness is basically the difference between the leftmost and the rightmost dish multiplied by the index. Okay. So we have to maximize this tastiness value. Okay. So we will use dynamic programming to solve this question. We will consider first two dishes at two dishes at a time, starting from the first two dishes. Okay. If we have only dishes 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, what will be the maximum value we will be getting? We will first consider 3 on the left of the second dish and try all the possible combinations for getting the maximum value for 3. So we will try, if 3 was on the right and this 3 on the left, so what will be the maximum value we would have got? 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 0. Okay, if 2 was on the left and 2 was here, actually I mean this 2, 3 and 1, what value we would have got? 3 minus 2 into 1, that is 1. Okay, similarly we will check for 1. 1, 2, 3. What will be the maximum value we would have got? 3 minus 1 into 1, that is 2. So what is the maximum among these values? It is 2. Now what do we know is that if 3 was on the left in this dish, the maximum value we would have got was 2. So now we will store this value. So what do I know here? The maximum value if 3 was on the left is 2 and I have stored it. Similarly I will check for 2. If 2 was on the left on this dish, again I will try all the possible combinations from these values and get the maximum value. If 2 was on the left, so 2 was on the left in this dish and 1 was on the right, what will the maximum value I would have got? 2 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. Similarly, if 3 was on the left, we would have got 2 minus 3, we will take the absolute value into 1, that is 1. And 2 was on the left here, this 2 was here, then we would have got 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 0. So what is the maximum among these? It is 1. So if 2 was on the left in this dish, the maximum value we would have got was 1. I will also store this. So till now, what do I know? If 3 was on the left in this dish, the value I would have got is 2, and if 2 was on the left, I would have got 1. I will store this value in this array. Okay, now I will move forward. I will now be considering second and the third dish, that is 3, 2 and 4, 5. Again I will repeat the same procedure. If 4 is on the left and 2 is on the right in this dish, what will be the value I would have got? 4 minus 2 into 2. 2 because the index of this dish is now 2. Plus the value 5 plus I would have to add the value I am getting from the leftmost dish. And the value I am getting from the leftmost dish I already know. I have already stored it. So I will add 2 here. It is 6. Again, considering 2 here and 3 here, I am rotated this array. What will the maximum value? Oh, sorry, 3 is here and 2 is here. So what will the maximum value I would have got? 4 minus 3 into 2 plus the maximum value from the leftmost dish, leftmost index, and I have already stored the maximum value I am getting from this 2, that is 1. I will add 1 here. So 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what is the maximum value I am getting when 4 is on the left in this dish? That is 6. I will store this. 6. Okay. Again I will repeat the same procedure for 5. 3, 2 and 4, 5. If 5. If 5 is on the left and 2 is on the right, what will the maximum value I would have got? 5 minus 2 into 2 plus the value from the leftmost dish. Value from the leftmost dish is 2. I have already solved it. That is 5 minus 2 into 3 into 6, 8. And similarly, if 3 was on the right and 2 was on the left, what value would I have got? 5 minus 3 into 2 plus value from the leftmost dish. That is 1. 2 to 2, 5. Okay. So I will maximum value I am getting from here is 8. I will also store it. So what do I know here? The maximum value with 5 on the left in this dish is 8. I will also store it. Now I already know the maximum value from 4 on the left and 5 on the left. So maximum among these is 8. So we will print this answer 8. I hope this should make sense. Thank you for watching.